garments are as flexible and versatile as the form-fitting bodycon dress. Some people claim that these dresses only work well with certain body types, but this couldn't be further from the truth. Bodycon dresses can look stylish and chic on anyone, regardless of your body shape or size. Here are a few tips and tricks to help your dress look extra flattering the next time you head out and about. Wear a belt around your waist. Belts help your frame look a lot slimmer. Bodycon dresses are already super form-fitting. A belt just takes the garment to the next level. Arrange and cinch the belt along the skinniest section of your waist to give your outfit an extra slimming, flattering touch. Don't finish off your outfit with any elastic or tight-fitting belts. Since bodycon dresses are already form-fitting, tight belts can create unwanted folds around your waist and stomach. Guide the eye to your upper body. Pick out off-the-shoulder or low-neck dresses. These garments help draw the eye upward, focusing on your neck and shoulders instead of your lower body. To really make a statement, slip on a bold necklace or a stylish pair of earrings. Slip into a long cover-up. Long-line cardigans and kimono-style cover-ups make your form look slimmer. Simply shrug on your cover-up over your bodycon dress. It adds a nice, casual touch to your outfit. 2. Long-line cardigans go past your hips, with some trailing as far as mid-calf. Layer shapewear beneath your dress. Shapewear helps smooth out your form under your dress. Bodycon dresses are very skin-tight, which can make them a bit intimidating to wear. Shapewear is here to help. Slide on a pair of slimming boy shorts, briefs, camis, or full-body undergarments before slipping into your bodycon dress. This helps your dress look extra flattering and slimming. You can find shapewear online, or at most clothing or department stores. Keep in mind that shapewear won't help a dress fit better. You should always choose dresses that move with your body, and don't pull or pucker. Slide into a black dress. Shades of black help you look a lot slimmer. The dark color helps conceal any folds and creases, and creates a really slimming, flattering effect throughout your outfit. Dresses with dark side panels, like black or navy blue, also create a slimming effect. Gravitate toward thicker dress materials. Thin fabrics don't look that smooth, and aren't super flattering. That's where thick materials come in handy. Canvas, denim, corduroy, suede, and polyester fleece are some great examples of thick fabric. Wool, tweed, and chenille fabrics are also good options. Opt for a longer garment. Long dresses are stylish on almost every body type. Shorter dresses can draw more emphasis to your thighs, and don't offer a lot of wiggle room to work with. That's okay. Try on a longer dress for size and see how it fits. This isn't to say that short dresses are out of the question. At the end of the day, pick out a garment that you feel most happy and confident in. Pick out a comfortable bra. Choose a bra that fits you well, so your bust doesn't sag. Believe it or not, the majority of women wear bras that don't fit correctly. Double-check your bra size and slip into an undergarment that fully supports your bust. When your bust sags, your dress tends to look larger and less flattering. Lengthen your frame with low-cut vamp heels. Low-cut vamp heels point along the toe. This helps your legs look longer and slimmer, which, in turn, spreads to the rest of your outfit. Low vamp heels look especially great with shorts, skirts, cropped pants, and dresses. Walk around with great posture. Posture helps your frame look longer. Plus, walking and standing with good posture is also great for your health. Stand with your back tall and straight while sucking your stomach in. Then, center your balance along the balls of your feet, while keeping your head level.